Hi, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Always great to have you.
Thank you.
And I know we are in summer. It's hot. I don't like to turn the oven on when it's like that.
Right.
So what are we making today?
So we're making just a really easy spinach salad. So this is pre-washed, ready to go baby spinach.
Okay.
We have some strawberries that are sliced, and you can put a little bit of sugar on there if you need to, but honestly, this time of year, they're perfect. They're ready to go.
You can just slice them and go.
Yes. And so one of the points of this is that a lot of times you see us making a vinaigrette, which is typically a 3-to-1 oil to vinegar or citrus juice ratio.
Okay.
But if you just want to be quicker about it, you can just put a little bit of oil on here and try to just think about that ratio. You want to think about just tossing the greens so that they're coated with the oil.
I'm already thinking you're very trusting if I'm eyeballing this, but I get, like, you get used to it, and as long as you're keeping that in mind, you don't necessarily have to do all the specific measurements.
Yeah, totally. Okay, so this has a much wider mouth, so I'm going to have to be careful, but at least the vinegar itself, this is beautiful vinegar. The vinegar itself is not adding any calories or fat, so just a little bit of the vinegar on there.
And you're just tossing it to just coat everything.
And then, there's your vinaigrette, okay, done.
Oh, that was it.
We're
done. You already made it.
I mean, a little bit, especially in this salad, I think black pepper is delicious. A little bit of salt.
Okay. But it truly can be that simple. If you have a few ingredients, it doesn't have to make this whole recipe of sorts.
Right. I mean, don't feel like you have to get too bogged down in the ratios or making it separately necessarily. Now, if you want to have a lot of different flavors in there, then yes. Okay. So for this, we're doing a spinach strawberry salad. So feel like you can use as many strawberries as you want, right? They're super healthy.
Yes.
They feel like a treat sometimes in a salad, but don't feel like that. Just eat the strawberries, and we're going to actually go for all of these.
So that really truly isn't, I mean, you get the sweetness of it, but yet it's not necessarily, it could still be very, where am I trying to go with this? It could still be the base of your salad.
Yeah,
that's where I'm trying to go with it.
And then we have some freshly toasted pecans, and you could chop these if you wanted to. And I'm just going to give you a little sample right here.
Oh, it looks good, and it just totally reminds me of summer. Like, this would be the meal.
And this would be a wonderful opportunity to put some grilled fish, grilled chicken on your salad. This is just the base of your meal.
Okay. Oh, you make it look so pretty too.
There we go.
All right.
So you're going to get sweet, you're going to get savory, you're getting so many nutrients in this, lots of fiber, and again, a great place to start with your meal. You don't have to always think about your salad as being an afterthought. Yeah, you want to get a little taste of everything, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. That little salad does not want to be eaten.
I know. He keeps dropping off my fork, but believe me, I'm going to keep eating it because it's really good and it's perfect for summer.
It is.
Thank you, as always.
Of course.
It's so good. It's perfect for summer. If you want to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes, head to kjrh.com.